Today, this video is going to be about making rabbit tea. Rabbit tea can be used to fertilize garden plants, seedlings for the garden, flowers, anything that might need fertilizer. This is a natural fertilizer. It's so natural that you only need rabbit manure and water. Hello, we're gonna fill this milk jug up, and how far we're gonna fill it is about this much, about an inch from the bottom, 1/8 of the milk jug full. That's what we're going for, maybe a little over. So let's fill it up. I wouldn't recommend putting this tea on lettuce, kale, basil, because the E. coli in the poop, you just probably don't want that in what you're eating. That's why I use older poop, because this poop is a month or two old, because the cage right here has been vacant for a month or two. So that's why we want to use this older stuff, because it's starting to decompose, and when it is fully decomposed, there is no E. coli in the poo. So that's what we're gonna do. So we're almost there. I keep checking it to see how far it is, because I don't want to put too less in here. I don't want to put way too much. That looks about there. Now that this is filled up with maybe 100 rabbit pellets, we need to give it water, and then we'll let it sit for 5 hours to a day. Okay, now that we're full with water and our little bit of manure, if you look really closely right here, there's all these little specks that it's showing that the rabbit poop was old and is giving off all of its minerals and stuff like that. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, Around the Homestead.